Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Installing and Using boto3 in Python 3, a step-by-step tutorial. Boto3 is the official Amazon Web Services, AWS, software development kit, SDK, for Python. It allows Python developers to write software that makes use of services like Amazon S3 and Amazon EC2. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing boto3 on Python 3 and provide a simple code example to demonstrate its basic functionality. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. Open a terminal or command prompt and run the following command to install boto3 using pip. This command will download and install the latest version of boto3 and its dependencies. To use boto3, you need to configure your AWS credentials. This typically involves setting up an IAM, Identity and Access Management, user in the AWS Management Console and obtaining an access key ID and secret access key. Once you have your AWS credentials, you can configure them by creating a file named /.aws/credentials on Unix-based systems or %userprofile %\aws\credentials on Windows. Add the following content to the file. Replace your _access _key _ID and your _secret _access _key with your actual access key and secret access key. Create a Python script, example boto3_example.py, and add the following code. Replace your bucket name with the name of your AWS S3 bucket. Execute the script by running the following command in the terminal or command prompt. This script uploads a simple text file to the specified S3 bucket. If successful, you should see the message successfully uploaded example.txt to your bucket name. Congratulations! You have successfully installed boto3 and created a basic script to interact with AWS S3 using Python 3. Explore the boto3 documentation for more advanced features and capabilities. Boto3 documentation. ChatGPT.